trust me, this is the ultimate in the market for a Defender 110 hardtop commercial. It's the colour Woolstone Green, it's the engine D350, it's the spec HSE, it's got jump seat, air suspension, deployable tow bar, and the wide track kit. It doesn't come any better on a 2026 model year, 26 plate, 300 delivery miles. This is a hardtop Defender, it's VAT qualifying, the price is plus VAT. But if we look at it, every time we get one of these with this kit on, the wide track kit, which gives it the lower canards, the LED spots, the black styling, the wide track arches, the 22-inch wheels, mud flap steps, roof rails, bonnet inserts, wing inserts, functional pod light, they sell straight away. Plus it's got the big three. It's got the jump seat, it's got the air suspension, it's got the deployable tow bar. HSE spec giving you full fine nappa leather, heated and ventilated seats, heated wheel, it's got the dark crossbeam. It literally is as good as you could get. And in a new order, registered, but delivery miles, you can come and get this today. That's super important for anyone wanting one of these, because for me, there isn't another one available with this kit on in the UK. If you wanted the green and you wanted the spec, you'd have to go to Land Rover and order your car and wait. You don't have to do that with this vehicle. Air suspension, deployable tow bar, spare wheel cover, rear spoiler, new style LED lights, everything is in place for you to get the best hardtop commercial available. Now the colour, it's the new colour for the car, it's Woolstone Green. It is the most popular colour that will get requested. You'll see the extra styling on this car, from the bonnet inserts, the wing inserts. It beefed up by the extra little sections here, the LED sections, and these lower canards. New style rear lights, full X-Dynamic gloss black styling package, including black roof and black roof rails. Then if you look inside this vehicle, we've got the dark crossbeam. Now what is that? It's the darker steering wheel, it's the darker accents all the way across the car. It makes a difference in one of these because it gives you that stealth interior. It's very, very desirable. All these things that I'm mentioning. Switchable ambient lighting, Meridian Sound, electric seats, full electric seats with memory for driver and passenger. Step helps me get in the car. Because it's an HSE, I have got pretty much everything. So I've got assisted steering column, heated wheel, adaptive cruise, wrapped in nappa leather, the steering wheel and the centre, nappa leather here, all the way across the car. 13.1 inch screen, the outer seats are ventilated and heated. Jump seat, now if you're not using the jump seat, all you do is pop it down into your armrest. What an option that is. Air suspension, and then of course the camera system, so 360 camera, surround view camera. This car does everything your business will want it to do. It's even got the towing camera, so you can buy it through your business, you can run it through your business, you can claim the VAT back. You know, some people will even put seats in the back of these, you know, it's possible. But it is really the ultimate in its style, the D350 engine, the fact that it's new but registered with delivery miles, and it's physically available here to collect today. If you're watching this video and you're lucky enough and we haven't sold it already, give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. It's Richard. Thanks for watching.